This video is going to show you 6 crucial steps that are instrumental in honing your artistry. Each step, drawn from my own experiences, is designed to help you develop your skills, find your unique voice, and understand the nuanced world of art. We won't just be talking about techniques and practices, but also about the mindset and approaches that can transform your artistic endeavors. First up is embracing daily practice. My journey in art has taught me one undeniable truth. Regular practice is the cornerstone of getting better at your work. Every day I dedicate time to create, whether it's a quick sketch or a more complex project. This consistent practice has not only sharpened my skills, but also deepened my understanding and appreciation of the art. I found that setting aside a specific time each day to engage in artistic work fosters discipline and nurtures creativity. It's like a daily exercise for the mind and the hands. Through this habitual practice, I've been able to experiment, make tons of mistakes, learn, and gradually improve. It's simple yet a powerful step that has been extremely instrumental in my own growth as an artist. Second is the power of experimentation. Experimentation is vital in the artistic process. Trying different mediums and styles has been a key part of my growth. It's about stepping out of comfort zones and exploring the vast possibilities in art. Whether it's watercolors, digital art, or mixed media, each medium offers unique challenges and opportunities for expression. I encourage you to embrace the unknown and experiment. It's through this exploration that you discover your preferences and strengths. Sometimes the most unexpected techniques or materials can lead to breakthroughs in your artistic journey. Third is seeking and applying feedback. Feedback has been crucial in refining my art. It's important to present your work to others, be it peers, mentors, or a broader audience, and listen to their perspectives. This external input can offer insights you might overlook. I've learned to seek out constructive criticism and use it as a tool for improvement. It's not always easy to hear, but it's invaluable. Being open to feedback and willing to adapt has significantly improved my work. Fourth is drawing inspiration from action. In my experience, the most reliable source of inspiration is action itself. Rather than waiting for a muse to strike, I've learned that simply starting to draw or create is often what brings ideas and creativities to life. This proactive approach transforms the concept of inspiration from a passive waiting game into an active pursuit. Engaging in the act of creating, even without a clear initial vision, can unlock a wellspring of ideas. This process of putting pen to paper or brush to canvas often leads to unexpected discoveries and sparks inspiration. It's a cycle where action fuels creativity, and creativity in turn inspires further action. Sketching, experimenting, and continuously creating keeps the artistic momentum going, turning everyday experiences into artistic opportunities. Fifth, the slow path to mastery. Over the years, I've learned that skill development in art is a gradual process, often marked by small, incremental improvements rather than sudden leaps. Embracing this slow path to mastery is crucial. It involves recognizing that every drawing, every painting, every sculpture, no matter how small or imperfect, is a step forward. This perspective has helped me be more patient with my progress and more accepting of the natural ebb and flow of the creative process. It's important to remember that every artist, no matter how skilled, was once a beginner, and that the journey itself, with all its challenges and triumphs, is an essential part of being an artist. Sixth, diving into art history. Exploring art history has been a pivotal part of my artistic development. Understanding the context in which different art styles and movements emerged offers more than just historical knowledge. It provides a deeper appreciation of the techniques, themes, and influences that shape art. Studying the works of past masters from classical to modern has given me insights into various approaches and philosophies. It's fascinating to see how artists have responded to the cultural, social, and personal influences of their times. Engaging with art history is not just about learning dates and names, it's about connecting with the continuum of human creativity. This connection enriches my own art practice, offering inspiration and a broader context for my work. Overall, the journey to excel in art is both challenging and deeply rewarding. It's a path that calls for regular practice, a willingness to experiment, the humility to seek and apply feedback, the initiative to find inspiration through action, the patience to embrace the slow path to mastery, and the curiosity to dive into the rich history of art. Remember, becoming proficient in art is not just about honing technical skills. It's about developing a mindset that embraces continuous learning and growth. Each step on this journey is an opportunity to deepen your understanding and express your unique perspective. So, as you forge your path into the world of art, carry with you the lessons from your experiences, the insights from your explorations, and the resilience to keep pushing your boundaries. Your artistic journey is uniquely yours, filled with endless possibilities and discoveries. Embrace it with passion and dedication. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.